My name is Ryan Crangle, and my capstone is a portfolio of projects completed throughout the Master of Science in Environmental Policy and Management program. Environmental management is all about blending theory with practical application. It combines sciences like biology and ecology with social sciences like ethics and law to create a framework of best practices to guide professionals dealing with uncertainty and conflicting values where there is no singular path which guarantees success. My concentration is sustainability, the study of finite resources and how to ensure they can be used now and remain available for future generations. Completing this program has added advanced management strategies, data gathering and analysis techniques, and a greater understanding of environmental law to my knowledge base. My portfolio includes several examples of projects that have contributed to and that illustrate this learning. For my first entry, I designed an air quality improvement project using adaptive management principles to reduce diesel exhaust emissions at the Georgia Port Authority. The project addresses the competing interests of stakeholders, uses best available scientific data and technology, and uses monitoring and learning by doing methodologies, along with iterative decision-making to confront a problem that impacts the surrounding natural environment, human health, and economics. In another project, I created a proposal to study some of the potential causes of Arctic amplification, where the Arctic region experiences accelerated warming. The proposal incorporates designing multiple scientific studies of how vegetative cover changes may be contributing to amplification and contextualizes the data using geographic information systems to help inform policy by reducing uncertainty and providing guidance in areas such as resource allocation and setting actionable, measurable objectives for future restoration and conservation projects. One final example from my portfolio, which deals directly with sustainability, is my proposal for an updated national energy policy. The project analyzes the current U.S. energy policy, then uses guidelines from the United Nations for reducing greenhouse gas emissions to determine areas of greatest need for conversion to clean, renewable energy. I developed a logic which considers sector, appropriate use, output requirements, and critical warming thresholds, and combined it with a system that utilizes a cap-and-trade economic incentive, a restructuring of tax incentives for alternative energy development, and targeted regulation to facilitate the policy and reach planned goals. These examples are just some of the many projects I completed while pursuing my degree. My portfolio highlights my learning process with key scientific concepts, critical research and analysis, and development of an understanding of the social framework surrounding the field of environmental science. Most importantly, my portfolio exemplifies relevant application, preparing me for personal and professional success within the field.